Hi, so we're gonna open this Have a Seat Labubu.
Not me being the only one not doing it.
Okay, so which one? I really like this one or the secret. I like all of them. Okay, so let's tear it. Okay, ready?
Yeah, it's not like gray with rainbow teeth.
Oh, gosh.
No, that's this. That's the like.
That's not the have a seat. I think
Oh, okay.
the rainbow teeth be crazy though.
I know for like, oh,
Okay.
dang. I'm so excited.
Wait, that's cute. It's in a
Yes.
bag.
Wait,
I
can you
know
see
that.
it?
No.
No, you can't.
Okay, ready?
Let's
Wait.
go.
I'm so stupid.
Imagine it
I
was
can't even.
What if you did the mystery?
I didn't.
Why can't you open the bag?
What was it?
She got the one.
Did you know what you want?
It's. I think it's Dada. Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's Dada.
It's so cute.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the blushes are.
Why did I count the teeth?
Because the fake ones have 8 and yeah. But that's all.